I can't believe we're doing this. I'm starting a new series called Pannus Finds. After Lindsay and I's Would You Rather video yesterday where I mentioned finding a cheeseburger in a Pannus, you guys were letting me know what you have found in Pannuses over the years, and I have to make a video of this. If you don't know what a Pannus is, it's that flap or pouch of skin that is on a patient's abdomen that kind of hangs over. Before someone comes at me and is like, this is so disrespectful, this is mean, listen, I'm not making fun of these people, okay? Genuinely, I'm amazed. I'm amazed that this can happen. I also take it very seriously as a nurse because if you have items trapped in your Pannus for a long amount of time, it can cause skin breakdown, which can lead to infection and all other sorts of issues. I'm going to share some of the things you guys have found in Pannuses, and the last one's my favorite, so make sure you watch till the end. I found a ham and cheese sandwich in a Pannus once, and it became known as the Pannus panini. The patient yelled at me when I threw it away. Why'd you throw it away? I found a waiting ticket from the DMV under a Pannus once. Guess they never called her number. I found an entire box of garbage bags in a Pannus during a code. I would need to know, was it a whole box, like the actual box with the garbage bags, or was it like just a bunch of garbage bags? Really doesn't matter. That's impressive. This one wasn't a Pannus, but someone said I dead-ass found an Uncrustable in a patient's ass crack one time. Just want to know how it got there. No, the fact that I've literally found a hairbrush and a spoon in a patient's Pannus, just hot girl things. Nurse preceptor found a dead kitten in someone's Pannus. This one takes the cake. My coworker found one of those rose vibrators in a Pannus once. Honestly, slay, queen, whoever that was, like, good on you. Okay, I need to know what you guys have found in Pannuses, okay? Because this needs to be a series, so let me know, because I just have a feeling we're about to open up a whole other can of worms.